rich apple juice. Look what time o'clock a strike. Yeah, some nice black apple. I don't know some juice. I'm gonna make right about now. Natural juice. Come on, some real authentic Jamaican apple juice. And see look what I go on here so. When the river me there now, so stay locked in and clock in. Welcome back to the channel. Your girl DJ Dalby outside. And it's all about another natural juice recipe, as you can see. We have some apple here. Yeah man, fresh and nice, and I tell you them smell so good. You don't know, see some natural apple juice. I have my ginger here. Just a small piece of ginger, but I tell you the ginger is strong, so it will work through. You don't know anything come down, so I go get started and grate up the apple and make the juice. So just stay tuned. You don't want to miss this epic one. You don't know the thing come down. That is it, man. Stay locked in and clock in. Wash them off now. I get them out of the container. Alright, so wash them off and just start grate them. Naturally outside, yeah. Wash off the apple then. Just like that. You wanna get wash it. So, loaded procedure. Yeah man, I best way this to make your apple juice. Nice black apple, you know. Juice here go nice. Look at that. Every Sunday we used to look forward to apple juice. Once apple in a season, always go pick apple and make apple juice on a Sunday. Nothing sweet so with your Sunday dinner. Oh sir, let me tell you about it. Yeah man. Nice black apple. Look out the seed. Apple them juicy. No joke about it, you know. Apple full of juice. It's black and pretty. Stain up greater. Let's go see out of this. Only apple we have here. Yeah man. Nice black apple, you know. Fresh off a tree. Yeah. Very nutritious. Best way to make your apple juice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, just go and stay locked in and clock in. Yeah, man. So I get the apple them grate up and thing. Yeah. Natural juice. Grate I see it in it, you know. Have a couple more to go. You know, I'm strain it off. Well, before I strain it off, I grate out the ginger and everything. So I don't know what thing already. Loaded procedure. Let me know how you make your apple juices. You use the grater or you use the blender. I don't know if people are going to say they use the blender still, because you know, they want a grater thing. There you go. Go on the grater. I look fine fry them and follow me and I too. You know, say apple juice I make. Naturally outside. The apple and full of juice. Down to the last two. Yeah, man, those two of them left to go. Yeah, so grate up the last two apple them. You know, I grate in the ginger. I grate in the ginger, you know, I just start mix it up and then I strain it off. Yeah, man. So it thing come down, no blender. Just use the grater. Yeah, man. Best way you see make your apple juice. Trust me. Just got two little, there you go. Got two little pieces of ginger. Now grate it in. A little piece of ginger this, you know. But still you see ginger is strong still, you know. Mix it up piece. I smell the ginger already in it, you know. That is it. So just mix it round. You don't know more the ginger kind of mixing. You know, no blender me I use it. Little stir up and then strain it off. So the juice look rich already. Strain it off, you know. Watch I spoon, me take off and strain it. I walk with a cousin. Yeah. Until I say you have full of juice, you know. Full of juice. Just do it in stages, you know. We don't want to waste the juice. The whole heap of juice there, natural. Not even sure if we have put no sugar in it, you know. Juice rich and pretty. We need some more. I get a second strain when I don't know. Then I get off some of the excess trash we get in. Yes, what time o'clock I strike there? Yeah man, some rich apple juice out here in nature. Yeah. Olive juices, you know. Look at that. Those look rich. Squeeze it out. Don't think we are making no more of this. Just strain it out one last time. If me and then the bigger still, you know, I squeeze out enough. Me and then too small. I get a second strain off. I'll strain it one more time. That's it. So I have to strain it next time. Because see what go on there. I can strain it off a second time too, you know, but I'll test it out and see if it needs a little sugar. So I give it a taste. You know, say this side taste in the cup. So I add a little sugar in it. You can drink just as it is, but I add some sugar in it. So stay tuned and I have the ice and I'll cool down in the evening. So I get in a little sugar. You don't have to add sugar to yours. Sugar is optional, but I just add a little sugar. Yeah. Add in a little bit of sugar in it, you don't know. And then you just pour it out in the bottle. You know the loaded procedure that. That's supposed to go there now. We are buckle them up here now. Put them on the market. My style already. Funnel. Start buckle up and thing, you know. Rich apple juice. Olive juice, you know. My next buckle mad thing. Look at that. Alright, so use the funnel like this. Oh, yes, the juice in there, no? Oh. We have to improvise, you know? Right, my nerves good. Hold on, they were going for nerves a while ago. Yeah. So what time o'clock a strike? Wake up for this. Alright, I put on this. So got one bottle of apple juice here. Don't know. I show it out. My friend them they are checking, so I make them sample the apple juice. Mad thing. Yeah man. Look at that. Look at that. See what going on now? Apple juice. Checking it now, well cool. Refreshing. You don't know, big up each and every one. Yeah man. Left one man there. One more left one.
Yeah, PFC, I don't know what
Look at that. I don't know, she ain't checking same way.
Run, man. Until people.
And when I take it around.
Well, ice cool, you know. Yeah, refreshing, nice. Yes, fresh and nice, you know.
You wanna come down, kids. Apple juice, little ginger, wicked. You know, check out that with the apple juice.
Yeah guys, so don't know, so there we have one more epic video. So just like this, some apple juice, handmade. Check out what I'll put on YouTube, you know. Just like, share and subscribe, you see?
Yeah, the evening are well cool, you know. Just have 2 cups of apple juice, you know. Yeah, they are easy for the riverside.
So what time o'clock a strike? Yeah. Think I second cup this. But me just want to say big up to each and everyone who watch the video until the end. You don't know the thing come down. Do remember, do the right thing, like the video, and if you're not yet subscribe to the channel. I don't know where I wait for still, but natural juice we are dealing with today. So big up again, heart, love and respect. Stay blessed.